So I've been testing Claude Opus 4.8, and honestly, it feels like a pretty solid incremental upgrade rather than a revolution. Where it really stands out is long context work and coding. It can navigate huge code bases like a senior engineer, and it's actually pretty good at double-checking its own work. On benchmarks like SWE Bench Pro, it's sitting around 69%, which is strong for real-world dev tasks. Another thing I noticed, it's a lot more careful. It's less likely to confidently make stuff up, and it'll actually say, "I'm not sure," instead of guessing. You also get a massive 1 million token context window, which is great if you're dealing with long documents, PDFs, or complex research sessions. Now the downside, pricing. At around $5 per $1 million input tokens and $25 for output, it can get expensive fast, especially on the web app. Bottom line, it's worth it if you're doing serious coding or professional work, but casual users might find it overkill.